Hello. Today we're going to make a delicious Indian stew together. It's better to use chicken tenders for this stew. Remove the skin on it because it doesn't cook. Let's make a delicious spice mix for butter chicken. Mix curry spices, cinnamon powder, cumin, chili flakes, coriander seeds, paprika powder, and turmeric together. Add 1 tablespoon of homemade spices, yogurt, onion powder, garlic powder, olive oil, black pepper and salt to the chicken and marinate it. Leave it aside to rest. Let's fry chickens with butter. Bake 60% and take it out of the pan. For a stew, we need julienne onion, garlic and tomato. The point is that the cut size of vegetables is not very important to us. Add butter to the pan. Fry the onions so that remaining spices return to the food. After that, we add garlic and homemade spices. Roast until the unique aroma of spices and vegetables rises. Then we add tomatoes and paste for more taste. In the last step, add cashews. Now, put them in a bowl and start mixing the ingredients together. After that, return it to the pan and add the chicken so that the flavors blend together. Butter chicken is ready. Peace be upon India. For garnish, use cream, cashews, chili pepper, and coriander leaves. Enjoy your meal!